Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can overlay pictures on Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that we're gonna do is start a new presentation. So I'm just gonna go right here to the top. You can click on this plus icon if you want to add a blank presentation, or you can choose from this templates list. You can also expand the list by clicking on template gallery, and now you can choose any template that you want. So I'm just gonna start a blank presentation. So I'm gonna click right here, and as you can see, guys, the presentation is added. You can also choose the theme that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. And you can also name your presentation, add a title. And from here in the top, you're going to find add new slide. So we're going to click on this plus to add a new slide. And right now, I'm going to add an image by going right here to the top and click on inserts. After you click on inserts, you're going to find in this list a lot of options. You can insert image, a text box, an audio, a video, and so on. So I'm just gonna click on image and click on upload from computer. You can also upload or insert an image by searching on the web, or you can insert it from Drive, from Photos, or by URL or by camera. I'm gonna click on upload from computer and then choose any picture. For example, this one, double click it, and as you can see, guys, now the picture is added. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.